Peace, people. I hope you're good. Right, my homies from Footshop have looked out once again. This time with the ready-made Nike Blazers, which just dropped. There's two flavors. There's the white pair and the black pair. I've gone for the black pair right here. Now, for those who aren't familiar with Readymade, it was started in Japan in 2013 by Yuta Hosokawa, and it basically upcycles military materials, flipping stuff from items associated with violence and death into a world of peace and pleasure, and reflipping the aesthetic in a very similar fashion, actually, probably taking inspiration from the philosophy of Maharishi, which Hardy Blackman started way back in 1994, and is still going strong to this day. But anyway, let's check out these ready-made joints right here. The box is just absolutely wicked, and for people who are familiar with me, know that I'm a real sucker for packaging and how things are presented. You have to make sure everything's at maximum levels, and you can clearly see that is the case just with the box alone. So if the box is dropping like this, how are the shoes looking? Well, I tell you, they are absolutely wicked. Right, the tissue paper, beautiful pattern, and it basically just showing like a close-up from what I can gather of plastics and all that kind of stuff. The plastic mountain that is affecting the world, the climate, the ecosystem. Okay, and so the whole upcycling thing is a beautiful look indeed, and it's something that we've got to give due consideration to. Hence, I'm wearing military surplus. One of the things that I do on the regs. Anyway, enough of that. To the shoes. Now, Yuta Hosokawa has basically flipped up one of the most iconic silhouettes in sneaker history and in basketball history. And ever since they first debuted, I think in 1973, the Blazer has become one of the most iconic silhouettes, not just on court, but off court as well, adopted by skaters, breakers, the whole nine. This is the whole deal right here. Now, the silhouette has been flipped up, as I said. Let's get up close so you can see how. You've got a beautiful ripple effect going along the midsole here. And then you've got a real robust reclaimed rubber mud guard going right here all the way up to the ankle and the eye stay. The swoosh has been playfully manipulated. I love it. It's absolutely wicked. At first I was like, I wasn't too sure, but the thing is, I actually love what Hosokawa has done. Okay, you got a double lacing system here. So you got this one here and then one underneath, which you can actually pull on like that with these bad boys. So playful. Reclaimed materials going up here from the top of the toe cap all the way up through to the tongue. But I mean, look, these are just so striking. I love how the recycled logo has been flipped up. Instead of having the arrows that we associate with it, Nike swooshes. That's a beautiful touch indeed. And finally, look at the sole. It goes back all the way to the regrind soles that Nike was pioneering all the way in the early 90s. But look, I mean, absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful indeed. So, I've got to give credit where credit is due. Readymade, been doing some fantastic apparel and applying that touch to one of the most iconic silhouettes, updating it in such a, Machiavellian fashion, you could say. These are absolutely hard body. Anyway, shout outs to my Footshop fam for looking out once again, and to you people out there. Stay safe, all right? One of them, peace.